Crouching guards.
Keldeck is just waiting for us to do the first round so he knows if he likes the game. We're taking forever. Oh lord!
Wait, what the?
I'm helping you.
Out the window.
I'm sorry.
Oh, this happens.
Sally.
that looks so funny.
Welcome to my world. Okay, I'm down. Ish. Okay, but down.
Oh. No, I'm down too.
You can only shoot still.
Still in the lead the team.
I got you,
I
Holly.
was trying. Oh,
Right.
I found a lot of toilets for you, Delipi.
Toilet?
Behind you.
I found a lot of toilets.
I hear a big bad thing following me, don't I? And I don't even know exactly what he's saying for sure, but I can tell.
Monday, Shadow, Tuesday.
Get what you need here and trying to find it out there.
Tuesday, Benny, Wednesday, Delipi. I tried to take my pants on this game and it did not work, so my pants are still on, no worries. That's the first thing I try on games, is taking my pants off. I'm kidding. Dat zijn we nog geen over.
Oh no, you're not.
One person believed in us. Who were? Oh, Case believed in us. Hey, Anchor. Watch this.
Oh,
Come on! That was not.
That's funny.
Oh Lord! I
Naughty.
was not running.
Got the problem here.
Oh! Oh no! Oh, okay. He was dead already.
Okay.
That was a waste of gasoline. Oh well.
Good. Got him.
I actually
Big guy
missed.
over the wall.
Oh! Lord! Can somebody? Oh,
Yeah, in a second. I'm gonna wait for the ass to go.
fuck! Okay, let's go because
Yeah.
I think
We need to
they
get
are
her on the
spawning.
corner. Watch out for birds.
Oh Lord! Acid dudes, two of them.
So stealth, I was standing where I am right now,
Hear that?
and I fired my
Oh,
shot,
what the?
and the birds were up above.
Vanessa has what you call it, activated up there.
What? How?
Yep, I don't know. That's what just out on the screen, and then it says that you got down.
Got yourself lucky. Still got
That
your
thing
legs.
just jumped onto me from the wall. I didn't do anything.
Can always count on you. Well,
The chat is a witness. Yeah, everybody
Yeah.
has the Vanny filter. No, I'm kidding. That's what I call it when guys don't listen.
So what do people? What do other people call it when you don't?
When I don't listen,
Mm-hmm.
just lost. Vanny's lost. If I don't listen, I'm lost. If you don't listen, you have the filter on. Honestly, nothing feels good right now.
that ruin your day?
There's a boss. Okay. Yeah, let us. No, Kelda, come on! Don't leave me! No! Oh, wait a second. I'll be right there with you, Keldek. Wait a second. Wait, I have a bait jar. Oh, jeez. Watch out!
I think he's dead in the face.
Here.
Okay. Maybe I find some. Oh, Lord! Where did you come from now?
Politician?
Good jump.
Okay. No.
Oh,
Oh, Lord, I'm so sorry.
Sorry.
There's painkillers here if you need. Oh, Keldek?
Yes.
Don't ring the bell.
No way! Oh my god!
But there is a nice
Actually, you
sawed-off
can
shotgun
ring
right
this.
there, though.
You can ring this bell.
The Belgian. Nice. Get me.
Think we've got.
Jesus! And nobody clips that. And by the way, that
Hear that?
Oh, Benny, no!
But it has a number of different uses, and unfortunately, I used it twice. I can't take it off until I use them all. Good to know. I already used it twice, and I have one more left.
More charge. Okay.
Alright, well. Oh, that's why we have all this extra health. Oh.
We're good?
I'm running.
Yeah, we killed them.
Oh no! Okay.
Does someone get to the safe room?
Yeah.
I'm trying. I'm trying. Oh lord. Come on, Shadow. Okay.
Ready to go.
Team.
All those zombies behind you.
Oh.
Okay, this
I
was
not going through this.
that was
Watch
really
you stream.
ugly.
Oh no!
Stuck in this door. Trying to get through.
Well, I made it inside, but I'm dead.
I think you made it.
Characters to the smoke.
I've always preferred
Down the
outdoor activities.
smackdown. I love it.
Oh,
No! Come on!
kidding me?
If she gets out. Swing.
Damn,
Oh, come on. I give up.
that's messed up.
What
That is
the
so
hell?
messed up.
Lordy Lord, oh Lordy Lord, okay, oh Lordy Lord, oh Lordy Lord, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die.
Archers upstairs, so.
I am so gonna die. Close the door, come on, come on.
Now switch to your gun and light those things up above.
Yeah, the 2 archers up top, you gotta.
Where? Oh.
One there,
Right
one on
and
the opposite side.
Ah.
The other
There's an
side.
explosive for that one too, so go for it. Good.
Oh wow! Remember that time Vanessa saved all of us?
I was gonna say,
Yeah.
we did it! No, yeah, right.
I mean, I'm dead.
Way to go,
so-
Danny.
Or we're dead, so we're not saved. But
I need a drink
he
of this.
succeeded.
I'll do a fireball with you. Jeez.
Wow.
That was wild. Way to go, Vanny. Seriously. That was awesome.
Nicely done. Very nicely done.
I am done with the world today.
I just got spat on and clawed up. Oh damn, all three of us
There's no
though?
I in
All
team.
3 in one
Is
spot.
right.
Oh guys, come on!
That's weird
And
looking.
what is
We're all bouncing on the
What's
floor.
going on?
what are you doing?
Either that or we're gonna enter shot.
I'm going. I'm leaving you
We're doing this
and
just for you, Vanny.
That bitch, you are funny. He said easy. Like,
So that's it. We made it.